Hi students, welcome back to my next video, video 4 on the same chapter electric charge and fields. Students, we learnt in the last class about methods of charging. How many methods, ways of charging a body? Come on, you have to be, remember, repeating when I am asking questions. You have to answer along with me, looking at the video. There are three methods. Tell me, charging by friction, charging by conduction, charging by induction. See, the third method, charging by induction, is seen oftenly in all day-to-day activities, right? Now, we will take up one of the simple devices to visualize the charging effect. You cannot see charges directly, though can't see charges directly, can see its effect through this device called gold leaf electroscope. Scope. What is scope? Electroscope. Scope is something you can see, visualize. Cinema scope. Scope means what? You see. Kannada nodataka. Charge can be seen here. You cannot see charge, but charge effect can be seen. That's the idea I have to remember. Okay. The gold leaf electroscope, missing a scope, small change in the word here. You read it, electroscope, okay, right. Now, in this simple device, see the construction part, very simple. There is a box, glass box or any box with transparent windows. And there is a metal rod housed inside, fixed inside the box, a part inside, a part outside. To the vent, there is a metal knob connected. To the other end, which is inside the box, two gold leaves have been connected. Why gold leaves? Gold, one of the best known metals since our ancestors, very soft, can be easily prepared in the form of sheets. That's why they have used this gold. But this experiment works with other metals also. You can use aluminum foil, you can use copper foil, thin foils you can use. Very simple. How does it work? This works on the principle of one of the methods of charging, that is charging by induction. If you rub a body with a cloth and hold it near like this, the charges here induce opposite natured charges here. The entire body behaves like one single electrically. That's why if this is say negatively charged, here there will be positive charges induced over this knob. Due to that, there will be negative charges induced over this side, that is over the two leaves. Due to the accumulation or induction of like charges on the two leaves, they get deflected or repelled each other, move away from each other. So you will see divergence. You will see deflection, in the sense divergence in the leaves when a charged body brought near it. Even if you touch charging by conduction, in that case same charges as that of the charged body get transferred all along the conductor and the leaves. Therefore, you can see divergence. In both the cases, charging by conduction, charged by induction, you can see divergence of the leaves indicating the presence of charges. Students, you can see one of the important words in electrostatics, that is a sure test of electrification. If I or anybody asks a question like, what is a sure test for electrification? What is a sure test for electrification? Somebody asks you. First of all, you ask me a question, why you are thinking like this? Why you are asking like this, sure test? Why you use this word sure test? See, in the case of charges, there are two effects. One, attraction, the other, repulsion. When do you say attraction? The charges are unlike. When do you say repulsion? Charges are like, plus, plus, minus, minus. which effect you consider to decide whether the body is charged? Actually, that is called Shore test. Actually, remember, Shore test of electrification is repulsion. Remember, answer repulsion. Repulsion is the Shore test of electrification, as you saw here. See, we'll discuss it once again for your exam. If it is asked in 3 marks, you have to write. How do you explain it? Write this diagram and give explanation in your own words. Very simple. There is a simple arrangement, a box with side windows or transparent sides. A metal rod is fixed, a part inside and a part outside. To the end, which is outside, a metal knob is connected. To the other end, 2 gold leaves fixed. How does it work? When you bring a charged body near it, charges are induced. Opposite natured charges induce here. Because of repulsion, Shore test, because of repulsion, the leaves move away from each other. From this, you can even know magnitude of charges also. How much charges are there on the leaves, that also can be understood. Charges more, divergence more. Charges less, divergence less. That's all. A simple device you can construct at home. I have a device just to create sort of interest in you. See, this is gold leaf electrode. Need not be like that always. It's a box, but this is a simple device. It's a cylindrical glass jar, right? And this is the conducting wire. To the lower end, there are 2 gold leaves fixed. Gold leaves, not gold, not so rich. It's actually copper. And the other end, see here, metal knob. If I bring a charged body near the knob here, the leaves diverge. The small divergence cannot be seen clearly in your camera. The small divergence cannot be visualized, but that effect I can show you here in that simple explanation. Look here, I will show divergence here. See this, focus over here. See, I am doing simple experiment. These are the copper strips. See what happens. I am bringing a plastic rod rubbed with fur just below. Observe carefully. See what happens. See, the sheets move away from each other. If I rub more, you can see greater effect. Look here. See, they are moving away from each other. Why they move away from each other? Induction. What is induction? Look here, if I bring the charged body near, these leaves get charged, which is opposite nature as that of the pipe. For example, pipe is negatively charged, the leaves acquire positive charges. As all the leaves acquire positive charges, like charges repel, that's why they diverge like this, diverge. Like that happens here. So, same charges get accumulated over the adjacent sheets, that's why they move away from each other. That's charging by induction, and you can remember it again. What is that? Shore test of electrification, that is repulsion. This is about the gold leaf electroscope. Remember it, very important. Very simple thing. You can do it at home. Students, try it in the lockdown period. You will be free. You have been given work, I know, but you can try this at home. Okay, fine. Thank you. Now, we'll solve one simple problem. Oftenly we'll be solving problems. Physics in CET, NEET examinations, almost all questions will be numerical type. And one thing you have to remember, students, my intention here is to induce you read textbooks. Many parents ask me why students score less marks in CET and NEET, though they score very good marks in board examination. One of the important reasons is they don't read textbook, don't have habit. Many lecturers, what they do, they distribute notes, they induce you to restrict yourselves only to that. Do that. Board examination works out, very good. But for CET and NEET, you have to read textbooks. In the free time you read textbook, I stimulate you reading textbook. I explained now 5 pages of your NCERT book in 4 videos. Go through them thoroughly. If you have any doubts, you mail the doubts to this email address dmrasm085696 @gmail.com or to this WhatsApp number. I'll explain you in detail. I can explain bilingually, both Kannada and English. If you want explanation in Kannada, I can explain you. Of course, I use very simple English. You can easily follow, no problem. Others, not a problem. Now, we'll take up one simple example, numerical, based on the quantization property, charge quantization. All of you know what is charge on a body. So, key idea in my discussion, the key idea is quantization of charge on any body is equal to Ne. What is N? Integer number. What is E? Charge. What is the value of charge? E 1.6 10 power minus 19 Coulomb. Coulomb SI unit of charge, and this is the basic charge you see in nature, charge of an electron or a proton. We will come to know about all this, its discovery and the meaning of this, why it has been chosen as a, or why it is seen as a fundamental charge in nature, why the unit is Coulomb, what is the meaning of that, I will see. Just to remember that value along with the unit. Now, using this, you can solve some numericals, simple numericals. I'll give one. You can try. Always while listening to the video, you should be sitting with a page and a pen. Now, very simple. The question is like this: what is number of electrons? Number of electrons, E minus shortly electrons, to be removed to produce a charge of 10 power 9 Coulomb. 10 power 9 Coulomb. What is the nature? Charge means there are two types, positive and negative. Can you guess what is the nature? Look here, read the question once again. What is the number of electrons to be removed to produce a charge of 10 power 9 Coulomb? If you remove electrons, what is the charge produced? A removal of electron results in positive charge. Addition of electron results in negative charge. That's why you are going to get positive value. It is positive actually, plus 10 power 9 Coulomb. The simplification is very easy. Consider this. We all know this relation Q equals to Ne. Now you solve for N. What is N? Q divided by E. What is value of charge to be produced? 10 power 9 divided by what is E? 1.6 10 power minus 19. And this comes to numerator 1.6 into, this comes to numerator becomes plus 19. Plus 19 plus 9. How much? Plus 19 plus 9 is 28. 28. Right? And what is the value? 1 by 1.6. You do it in calculator, or else you can remember this value. This 0.625 nearly into 10 power 28. So, approximately 6.25 10 power 27. I have shifted one place. Here, how many tens? 28 tens are there. I have taken 1 10 out, remaining 27. Multiply that 110 to this number. 10 into 0.625 is 6.25. 10 power 27. What is this unit? Number, just number, no unit. Number of electrons is 6.25 10 power 27. It's very easy. Though it is not a straightforward question, single question in the examination, this comes along with other questions, and means this concept will be used in other areas with some other concepts. You need to use this formula in between. So, you must be familiar. Very easy. Q equals to Ne or N equals to Q divided by E. I will show you in the next video one more on this. You will be solving problems regularly. You should be ready with the concepts and a pen and a sheet always. I hope you understood these concepts today. Gold leaf electroscope and this problem. We will move on to the very important area of physics in the next class. Of course, electrostatics, that is Coulomb's law. Thank you.